I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. You've said that sometimes it's better not to respond to a behavior, but isn't that just letting kids misbehave? No. I have found that sometimes the best response is no response at all, especially if I'm dealing with kids in front of their peers. One of the things we know is that the most important things for kids is their subculture. Usually by around third, fourth grade and on, they start recognizing where they want to be with their subculture, and that's really important. And we get to middle school, even more important. So I don't want to get into a power struggle in front of their peers because they will just take that to the end. If I do want to have a connection with a kid at that moment, I'm not going to respond, but I'll catch them alone and say, hey, I need to talk to you for a second before you leave. That's when I'll make the connection. So the timing is everything. There's two things you want to teach here. One is you want the rest of the class to see a well-regulated adult not get into a power struggle, because that's a learning curve for them. You ever notice that's when they're always paying attention when they think something might go down and all of a sudden they're quiet and watching, who's going to win? Yeah, that's your opportunity to teach them this is how you deal with this situation. So they can take away some skills as well. And then the other is connecting with that child, but not allowing them to pull you into a power struggle. That's another strong skill for them to observe you doing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.